The topic of today's video is how to get approved for Webull options trading level 3. So here are the requirements for level 3 options approval. First of all, level 3 options trading is available only to users with a margin account. If you currently have a cash account, you'll need to change to a margin account. Next, we have a minimum account value. So you need to maintain a net account value of at least $2,000, as this is the regulatory minimum for engaging in spread strategies with a margin account. The third thing is experience and risk tolerance. So you need investment experience. You need to indicate a moderate to high level of trading experience. You need options experience, specifically familiarity with the options trading, even if through paper trading or educational resources. And of course, you need to select a high risk tolerance that matches with the level 3 strategies. Next up, you need to provide certain financial information such as annual income and net worth. So providing higher figures can demonstrate financial stability, which is what they're actually looking for, and that may favor your approval. And then your investment horizon, so you need a shorter investment horizon which aligns with the nature of options trading, so something less than 3 years, for example. Some additional tips are to ensure all information provided is accurate and truthful. Misrepresentation can lead to application denial or account restrictions. Another small thing is, if you're new to options trading, consider utilizing Webull's paper trading, as I mentioned earlier, and that'll help you gain a lot of experience before applying. Now, by meeting the necessary requirements and carefully completing the application, you can enhance your chances of obtaining level 3 options trading approval on Webull. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing.